Hey everyone, today we are going to explore one of hidden gems in Kuantan, which is Sungai Pandan Waterfall. Let's go!
Jika ku tuliskan sepucuk surat cinta bagimu, mungkinkah ia mampu mengubah fikiranmu tentang.
Hi guys, so we just arrived here around 9:30. So the weather is nice and today is a bit crowded because it is weekend.
The best time to visit is during the dry season, as the trails and riverbanks can get slippery during rainy days.
Okay, this is the Sungai Pandan Waterfall, also known locally as ITE Sungai Pandan or Pancing Waterfall. It is one of the most popular natural attractions in Kuantan.
So guys, as you guys can see here, there are many activities that you guys can do here in Sungai Pandan. For example, you guys can enjoy the waterfall. And for the second one, here you guys can set up the barbecue and eat while enjoying the scenery.
Okay, Sungai Pandan Waterfall is very family friendly because it's not that deep. So you can bring your kids, you can shower together.
The waterfall is open daily except Friday. It's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. The entrance fee is affordable at just 3 ringgit for adults and 2 ringgit for kids. There are also parking available, so you don't need to worry about that. Whether you are coming with friends or family, everything you need is already here. One of the best things about Sungai Pandan Waterfall is its facilities. The area is well maintained and family friendly. You'll find gazebos for picnics, BBQ areas, clean toilet and changing rooms, and even a surau for prayers.
Sungai Pandan Waterfall is managed by Pahang Forestry Department, which ensures the site is clean and safe for visitors.
So guys, if you guys ever just want to take a break from the cities, I suggest you come here and visit Kuantan. And here, the Sungai Pandan, totally worth come visit because it's beautiful, relaxing and having a good scenery. Of course, you want to enjoy it, right? And that's all from us. Thank you.
Bye.